Morning. Well, the weather put on a pretty decent show last night. A lot of lightning, thunder, rain, and also pretty strong wind. Yeah, only to be woken up this morning by a lyrebird going off and the sound of the ocean, and of course a gorgeous sunrise. Anyway, today's plan: pack up, hit the road, and head to Port Campbell. You ready? Okay, we're just about to head off. We're going to try and dump some rubbish at the rubbish bin. River. Okay, just stopped off at Kennett River General Store, cappuccino and ham and cheese toasty, which is to come, and a bottle of Coke, of course. Okay, just a side snack for when we're traveling. Ham and cheese toasty, you gotta love them. What's the coffee like? Good. Okay, we've just walked up this bloody hill to come and see a koala, and there's a koala all the way up the top there, and you're probably not going to see it with the GoPro unless I zoom right in. Okay, that was just a quick stop to have a cup of coffee, something to eat, just a snack, and see if we can check out some koalas. Yeah, we did see a koala, but it was so high up in the tree I don't think the GoPro is going to pick it up. But anyway, we're off to Apollo Bay now, and then from Apollo Bay we're heading off to Port Campbell, where we'll most likely stay for 2 nights and set up camp and do some rides without all this luggage on board. But check out the views, it's beautiful. it's a little bit hazy here. That's because there's some bushfires inland from here. Hopefully we can get through on this road. We spoke to somebody at Kennett River, and he said that yeah, the traffic is flowing through along the Great Ocean Road but not Beach Road. So yeah, still a beautiful ride along the coast. So we're not far away from Apollo Bay. You can actually see it in the distance whenever we get a clearing in the vegetation, just over there. But yeah, we'll just have a drive through Apollo Bay and keep on moving. Check that out, beautiful. Okay, just passing through Apollo Bay. A few bikes there to the right of me. One of them looks like they're touring because they've got quite a lot of bags on there. Yeah, but it's a nice town. Apollo Bay Hotel, or a drinking hole, that's for sure. So we're off to Port Campbell. Okay, we're heading into the Great Otway National Park in the direction of Lavers Hill. So we won't be following the coast for a little bit. We'll be going through the forest, which is a nice little bit of change, I suppose. Although I do enjoy riding along the coast, but it is also fun riding through nice windy roads through the forest. Okay, this is where that fire is. That was Beach Road. They said that was closed off. You can really smell the bushfire now, but by the looks of it, the road's open all the way through to Lavers Hill. The temperature's really increased. No more ocean breeze. It feels like about 30 or 30 plus degrees. Very warm. I'm looking forward to getting back down to the ocean again. Oh geez. Very stuffy. And also the smell of smoke or bushfire. It's not the best. But the road's pretty good. Speed limit is 80 k's per hour through the forest. But yeah, a lot of twisties. Very enjoyable ride. bloody hot. Was down on the ocean. It was beautiful and nice ocean breeze. Up through the forest it was stinking hot. That's why I stopped here to get a drink. Okay, something cold, and it doesn't look like they're open. Oh, due to fire alerts in the Otways, we are closed shop at 12 AM. Please keep tuned to Vic Emergency, ABC Radio, Colac for updates. Stay safe. Okay. Okay, looks like we got a slow vehicle in front of us, that's for sure. Down to 30 k's per hour. Not ideal in this heat with all this motorbike gear. Oh well, not much you can do about it, especially on this windy road. Okay, the truck driver was kind enough to pull over and let all the traffic through. Wish this guy would. But every time we come to a slow vehicle lane, he's not pulling into it, which is a little bit annoying. That's the 12 Apostles. It's very hazy. I'm not too sure if it's worth going to visit that today, or maybe we'll give it a go tomorrow and come back with the bikes. I think we'll move on. There seems to be quite a lot of people here, and I think the best thing to do is get here early in the morning. Yeah, visibility is very poor. A lot of haze. It's probably from the fires. Very smoky. I don't think it's worth visiting those sites today. Hopefully tomorrow might be a little bit better. So it's coming into Port Campbell, and yeah, we're gonna set camp here if we can. Oh, feel that breeze. Oh, that is so nice. So cold. Well, not cold, it's cool. Okay. Very hazy though. Not too sure what's causing that, but that's alright. Let's just pull over and get a cold drink first, and then work out the camping situation. Okay, this is where we're staying. Good, isn't it? It's nice and cool here, isn't it? Yeah, I think we should. We'll just get a cold drink and then we'll go find the camping ground. Oh, that looks good, thank you. Lovely. I'm hungry. Okay, we're in Port Campbell caravan park for 2 nights, and yeah, we're going to stay here for 2 nights and do a day trip without all the gear on the board. But yeah, let's have a look at the tent. So the tent is a Oz Trail Tasman 3. Purchased this tent for this trip. $59 tent. It's got better ventilation than my other tents. They're more designed for winter conditions. This one's probably better designed for the summer. Tins inside, setting up our beds with mattresses and sleeping bags. But yeah, it's a 3-person tent, 2x2 meter. Not expecting it to be 100% waterproof, but it will do the job, hopefully. And as you can hear in the background, there's a storm coming. Okay, just going out for a bit of a walk, and then we're going to go and get some dinner. Just going to go and have a look across this bridge here, see what it's like. Looks like we've got another storm coming tonight. It's bloody hot, it's damn humid. So yeah, hopefully the weather's going to turn around tomorrow and get a little bit on the cooler side. It's supposed to be only 23, 24 degrees tomorrow, so that's a bit better than 31 to 35 inland. It was crazy inland. Okay, have a bit of a browse. Cheers. Tiger prawns. So are they good, Tin? Nice and crunchy, aren't they? Beautiful. And nothing better than washing it down with a local beer from Torquay. Okay. Salt and pepper squid. Tin, what do you think? Very good. Yeah, it's bloody lovely. Okay, this is where we just had dinner. 12 rocks, and the food was absolutely beautiful. Highly recommend it. Well viewers, that's another hot day out the way. Another enjoyable day actually. It was really good. And both pretty knackered. We've had a pretty big dinner. Got a couple of ciders and we're going to crash. So we'll see you all tomorrow.